guys, and welcome to my channel, Paige's Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday simple go-to look. So if you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned till the end. So first I start by using rose water to moisturize my face. This way my foundation will lay out more smoothly. Now I am just speeding up the drying process so that way my face is ready for primer. I'm using the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer, and I'm just applying a little bit of it at a time and rubbing it in to help my foundation last a little bit longer throughout the day. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Full Coverage Foundation, using my Dirty Beauty Blender sponge to apply and blend the foundation. If you're like me and love a good full coverage foundation, this one definitely does the job. I think it is a little bit pricey, but a little bit does go a long ways, so it does last me quite some time, so I definitely think it is worth the purchase. Now I am using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil, and using the spoolie that comes with it, I am just combing my brow hairs back into place. Now I just lightly begin to outline the underneath of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to continue that on the top of the brow, just creating the eyebrow shape that I desire. Then I'm going to start to begin to fill in the eyebrows to give it a more fuller look, as well as filling in the inner brows to make it look more natural looking. Now I am using the number 7 eyebrow kit and this angled eyebrow brush just to fill in my brows some more. Then I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter to help keep my brows to stay in place all day long. I'm using the Tarte Shape Concealer and Jeffree Star Morphe Flat Brush, and just adding a small amount of the concealer to the brush, and then I'll begin to start carving my brows just to clean them up. Again, using my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend the concealer in. Now I'm using the Tarte Shape Concealer and just applying a little bit of it underneath my eyes to get rid of any of the darkness that I have. Now using the Airspun Loose Face Powder and using an angled Morphe brush 536, I'm just going to be tapping away the excess and lightly sweeping it across the under eye as well as the eyelid to help keep the foundation in place and to last longer throughout the day. And I'm going to also be applying the powder to my T-zone to help control the oil that I have. Using the Kat Von D shade Light Contour Duo and a flat contour brush, I'm applying it underneath the cheekbone. And then I'm using the angled brush to contour upwards. Applying more to the face to give it dimension and color. now using my eyelash curler to curl my lashes. And I'm going to be applying the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. Going in with the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter and a small flat brush to apply it to the tip of my nose as well as the inner corner of my eyes. I'm using the Carmex Lip Balm to give my lips some hydration and just a little bit of shine. Applying my favorite drugstore Allure London Wispy Lashes. I literally adore these lashes so much. I'm just applying the glue and letting them dry for a little bit. I like to look down when applying lashes just because I find it the easiest to make sure that they are being placed right where they need to, and also they are aligned with my real lashes so it looks pretty natural. To finish the look, I am using the rose water again to get rid of any powdery look as well as hydrating and refreshing my skin. I hope you enjoyed watching how I do my simple everyday makeup look routine. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time guys, I'll see you later!